Hey everyone, welcome back. Part 2 of ELA lesson 4.06, Information from Pictures and Words, Codes. This is part 2, slides 7 through 12. Crystal Room Challenge. Wow, we are in a new room with some cool crystals. To get out of here, we will need to fix some sentences. Are you up for the challenge? And this is on slide 7. You spot the mistakes in these sentences, select the correct option to complete each sentence. You can log in and try 4 slides to choose the correct choice to help make those sentences correct. Awesome job. You solved the sentence challenge and can exit the crystal room. Giant Georgina. Gabe the goat is not the only goat that I explore. Georgina is guardian of the Crouch Cave mystery. She will not allow passage to the camp without being given a clean copy of your informative writing on the Hubble Space Telescope. The writing must follow all of Georgina's rules. Here are her rules, Georgina's rules. Each sentence begins with a capital letter. Subjects and verbs match. There are spaces between words. Names of people, months, and days begin with a capital letter. Possessive nouns have an apostrophe and S. Each sentence ends with a period, an exclamation point, or a question mark. There are adjectives. Words are spelled using sounds and words you know. Use the list of Georgina's rules to help Cameron clean up his sloppy copy. How many changes need to be made on his sloppy copy? Look closely and tell a friend or family member. Fossil sloppy copy. Cameron looks at his sloppy copy on fossils. He looks for mistakes and begins to count them. How many mistakes do you see, camper? So you take a look over here, see if you notice some mistakes, some things to correct, making a clean copy. There were 13 errors on Cameron's sloppy copy. Did you spot them all? Cameron works hard to fix his errors. His clean copy looks much better than his sloppy copy. So you can see the corrected parts are bold. You can see what he worked on. Finishing touches. Cameron wants to make his clean copy really great, so he added the following: a title at the top of his writing, adjectives to explain his details like very, old, deep, and then extra information to better explain details like under the dirt instead of just in the ground. A gift for Georgina. Camper, it's your turn to write your clean copy and draw a picture to go with your writing. Take out your sloppy copy about the Hubble Space Telescope and read through the sentences. Use Georgina's list of rules to help you make your sloppy copy stronger. Your clean copy should include a title, a picture, and at least 4 sentences. Tip: the Hubble Space Telescope is a proper noun. It is not just any telescope, it is a special telescope. Make sure its name is capitalized in your writing. Here are Georgina's rules one more time, just for you to look at while you're writing your sloppy copy. Each sentence begins with a capital letter. Subjects and verbs match. There are spaces between the words. Names of people, months, and days begin with a capital letter. Possessive nouns have an apostrophe and S. Each sentence ends with a period, exclamation point, or a question mark. There are adjectives. Words are spelled using sounds and words you know. And it looks like here you could draw a picture here for your about the Hubble Space Telescope writing. Remember, pictures give information about the topic and support the words, or you could draw it on a separate piece of paper and take a picture to send to your teacher a different way. Share it. Share your clean copy with a friend or a family member. Ask the person to give you feedback on your writing. Ask your friend or family member, what are 2 things I did well? What is 1 thing I could do to improve? In your opinion, what is the most interesting fact about the Hubble Space Telescope in my writing? The Mystery of Crouch Cave. Georgina allows passage to the mystery deep inside Crouch Cave. As Cameron and Gabrielle step inside a new room in the cave, they see an amazing sight. Explorers throughout time have traveled to the spot and left a handprint on the cave wall. The mystery of I Explore is revealed with one final gift from Gabrielle. These handprints are a kind of code. They mean that other people have explored here. Look at all the fossils you have found side by side. Can you tell what the code means? You can pause here, or you can check out the answer. The I is a symbol in this code that means the word I. The secret message is I code. You are a code master, camper. Share the knowledge you have gained through your explorations. Sharing knowledge is special. What did I learn? Lesson summary. Camper, what a very important adventure you've had. You helped Cameron and Gabrielle identify words on sight. You learned all about how pictures can tell you more about the words on a page in a text and how the words can help to describe pictures. Your knowledge of the pronoun I and proper nouns allowed you to complete the Crystal Room Challenge. You wowed Georgina with your informative writing and were allowed to see the mystery of Crouch Cave and solve Gabrielle's I Explore code. Now I can identify information from pictures and words in a text, write an informative text in which I write a topic sentence and give facts about a topic, use pronouns, capitalize proper nouns, and use the sounds I know to spell words with or without a spelling pattern. You can log into Buzz to slide 11 for some self-check review. There are 4 slides. The first one says select the correct sight word to complete the sentence. Something. Cameron and Gabrielle could enter Crouch Cave. They had to build sight word ropes. So there's 4 slides to practice. What is my assignment? It's time to show what you know. Submit the following assignments for this lesson. Complete and submit your pictures and words graphic organizer that you worked on in this lesson. Remember to use the book codes to complete this assignment. Complete and submit your informative writing clean copy about the Hubble telescope, space telescope that you worked on in this lesson. Remember to include a title, a picture, and at least 4 sentences. And our lesson wrap up. Read the lesson, complete the activities in the lesson, and then submit those 2 parts, the organizer and the clean copy. This is another copy, another look at the pictures and words graphic organizer, and then also a couple of rubrics just to help you make sure you have as much information as possible. So thanks for listening, and I will see you the next time.